What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video we'll be taking a look at the SuperShieldz Screen Protector for the 2021 Moto G Stylus. Let's do this!
Spectacular Gadgets.
I purchased this screen protector from Amazon for $6.50. This is a screen protector that is anti-glare and anti-fingerprint, so it's a matte shield screen protector. I already have a case, but I need some screen protection. SuperShieldz is my go-to for matte screen protectors. What you're getting is high-quality optical material. On the back, you have installation instructions, and you're getting a lifetime warranty. Scan this QR code if you need help with installation, and scan this side for registration. So here we go, we have 2 packages of these. So inside of these, let's pull this out. You get 3 screen protectors with a cleaning cloth. In the other package, you also get 3 additional screen protectors with a cleaning cloth. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and clean the screen with the cleaning cloth to remove any fingerprints or dirt. Alright, so we're good to go. We'll have to peel this off first, and then if you flip it over, this is the second step. I'm peeling off the first part so that I can go ahead and apply the screen protector to the device's screen. I'm going to go ahead and try to match it up as best as I can. The first part is done. You'll notice a few bubbles or two, so you can go ahead and use your thumb or that little card to go ahead and get those out. Now for the last part, we need to go ahead and pull the final mask off so that the screen protector is fully installed. So I'm pulling this off, and we got a big bubble and 3 little smaller ones, so we got another one at the bottom. So it's just as easy as taking your thumb and just pushing them out. Any other ones will either come out with this little card, or eventually they do work themselves out. Here is the fully installed screen protector on the 2021 Moto G Stylus. It looks really good. Matte screen protectors for the win. And with this matte screen protector, as you see, it doesn't take away from the color, so you still see the brightness of my wallpaper. Using a case with this screen protector, you will not have an issue. As you see, the screen protector and case, they don't even touch. Now again, this is one of my favorite brands when it comes to matte screen protectors. And I think essentially it's important to go ahead and protect your screen, especially for us Moto G Stylus users. When we're using that stylus, why not go ahead and protect your screen? Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.